In today's competitive hospitality job market, having a strong LinkedIn presence can set you apart and connect you with top opportunities. But it's not just about having a profile, it's about using it strategically. Here's how to turn LinkedIn into your career-building tool. 1. Build a strong first impression. Your LinkedIn profile is your digital resume, and often the first thing a recruiter sees. Use a professional photo that reflects your friendly, approachable personality. Create a headline that's specific and goal-oriented. Instead of hospitality professional, try something like aspiring hotel manager vertical bar passionate about guest experience. 2. Write a compelling summary. Your summary section should tell your story. Share what drives you in the hospitality industry. Highlight your key strengths and outline your career goals. Make it personal but professional and show your enthusiasm for creating outstanding guest experiences. 3. Highlight relevant experience. Whether it's a full-time job internship or part-time position, every experience matters. Use action-oriented language and focus on results. For example, improved guest check-in times by 20% during peak season, or led a team of 5 in daily restaurant operations. Employers want to see what you've accomplished, not just what you were assigned to do. 4. Showcase skills and get endorsements. Include both technical skills, like property management systems or social media marketing, and soft skills such as teamwork, communication, and problem solving. Reach out to past colleagues or supervisors and ask them to endorse your skills for added credibility. 5. Network with purpose. Start by connecting with classmates, professors, former managers, and colleagues. Then expand your network to include hotel managers, recruiters, and hospitality leaders. Engage with posts by liking, commenting, or sharing. Post your own content as well. This could be industry insights, internship reflections, or news about projects you've worked on. 6. Join hospitality groups. There are many LinkedIn groups focused on hospitality careers. These communities share job opportunities, tips, and trends, and they're a great place to meet industry professionals and stay informed. 7. Be proactive about job opportunities. When you see a job posting, don't just apply. Reach out to someone at the company with a short, tailored message. Show that you've done your research and explain why you're excited about the opportunity. LinkedIn is more than just a platform for job listings. It's a powerful tool for building your personal brand, growing your network, and landing top roles in hospitality. With a clear strategy and consistent engagement, you can position yourself as a standout candidate and open the door to exciting career opportunities. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more professional tips to grow your career in hospitality.